Hi guys! So we are in a fourth week of social distancing and we are here with our fourth video, and this would be really simple one. Probably your parents know this and you might know it too. Yes, but there is a very interesting twist to it. So what are we making today, Arika?
Fortune tellers!
So if you want to know what the surprise is, watch till the end. Okay, let's start with this one. So I'll be making a traditional origami fortune teller. So you'll be doing a different one, okay? And it is a very nice surprise and a twist to the traditional origami fortune teller. Okay?
Okay.
So let's start. You just need one glue and that's it.
And paper.
Yeah, and we need a square paper. And do you see how I made a line over here by folding this? So do that. Nice job. Now open it. And now go the other way. Like that.
So this line, the line over here we made, the other line should be matched.
Now open that.
Okay.
Open that.
There's 4.
And keep it like this, like a square. Now fold
This side.
this side. Okay. And you know when you're doing right is when you see there's a little center which is forming. Can you see a center?
All the lines
Connecting in one center. Okay, good. Now there's only one which is left. Now rotate it and fold it this way. Good job.
There's so many lines.
Yeah. So how many lines are there?
1,
2, 3, and 4. And it is connecting in a center. So now take any one corner and fold it till the center. You have it. Now flip it over, and now again you take one corner, bring it to the center.
The same thing you did.
Yes. Okay, are you done?
Yes, I'm done.
Great. That's it. It's done.
What?
Yes.
How do you... Oh,
Flip it over and use these 2 fingers, put it inside 2 cubes, use the other 2 fingers, put it inside, and here you go. Yeah. Now one thing is left. What?
decorating!
Yay! So I'm doing the traditional way. Arika, we used to do this when we were little, when I was of your age.
Oh, that's so long ago. Very long.
Yeah. So Arika, what you are going to do is, these are the 4 movies which kids mostly like.
Oh, I like
Finding Nemo, Toy Story, your favorite Frozen, and Cars. And every movie has 2 characters. So we have all these characters. So we are going to put all these on the front. Remember where we put our finger?
Okay.
Over here. And all the characters we'll be putting 2 over here, 2 over here, 2 over here, and 2 over here.
Okay.
So Arika, you start sticking all these 4 movies over here.
Okay.
And I'll do some color work. Yeah.
Yay.
Okay, Arika, now we are done with the outer part of the fortune. Now we'll flip it over. So do you know what we are going to do over here?
Yes.
Okay, tell me.
So like we're gonna glue Disney characters from different movies. Like if it cannot be Anna and Elsa. No, it has to be 2 characters from different movies, like Dory and Mater.
Okay.
And then on the other side, we can do Buzz and Anna.
and it will be same with these two flaps. So we have to put one character of each movie from here, here, here and here. We cannot repeat the characters from the same movie. Okay, let's do it. So we are done with our characters. We put from different movies over here and characters from different movies over here, like this and this. So it's easy and it is so beautiful. And we have written all the quotes from the movie, like for Elsa it is let it go, and for Woody, reach for the sky. So it will be so fun for all the kids to play. And I have the traditional one where I have done all the numbers, and you can make anything whatever you want, like you want, the traditional one or the new one which we made. So we took a printout and we had to cut all these figures and had to put them. But if you have stickers at home, it is nothing like that. Put all the stickers, Minnie, Mickey, Goofy, all the Mickey Mouse characters, and write anything you want. Be creative.
Yep. Pinky, Pinky, Ponky, which character do you choose? C-A-R. Okay, let's see what Lightning McQueen says. Speed. If you like this video,